Ever wondered how TikTok creators make money? Or how the TikTok creator program stacks up against monetization programs on other platforms? Well, buckle up for some insights. In the realm of social media, creators have a variety of platforms to choose from, each offering its unique monetization programs. TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are among the most popular. Let's delve into how these platforms compare. TikTok offers its creators the opportunity to earn through the Creator Fund, Creativity Program, and Pulse Program. Rates can range from 5 cents to $189 per day or per 1,000 views. TikTok is also testing a new fund called the Creativity Program, which offers higher average gross revenue tied to views for longer videos. On the other hand, Instagram influencers earn money through sponsored in-feed posts, stories, and reels. The rates here vary based on engagement rate, platform, and usage rights. They can also generate income through features like Instagram's badges, gifts, and subscriptions. Meanwhile, YouTube's partner program pays creators based on views, with payments ranging from $1.61 to $29.30 per 1,000 views. YouTube creators also earn money from ads in their videos, with creators receiving 55% of the revenue their channels earn. Each platform has its unique strengths. For instance, the TikTok Creator Program is a great fit for creators focusing on short, engaging content. The YouTube Partner Program, on the other hand, might be more suitable for creators producing long-form content or tutorials. However, it's important to note that many influencers rely on sponsored content to earn money, with rates varying based on engagement rate, platform, and usage rights. Some TikTokers even earn money by promoting songs in their videos. That being said, it's clear that each platform offers different ways for creators to monetize their content. But remember, consistency, creativity, and engagement with your audience are key to making the most from these programs. So why not try out the TikTok Creator Program? It could be your ticket to turning your creative passions into a lucrative venture. And while you're at it, don't forget to always stay informed and keep those facts flowing. This is Fact Fluence signing off. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Fact Fluence wisdom, and share this video with fellow TikTok enthusiasts. Turn those likes into dollars. Until next time, stay curious.